Snowflakes falling on the ground. Cats are purring all around. Twinkling lights and cozy fires, paws and whiskers, warm desires. We wish you a purry Catmas, full of laughter, joy and cheer. May your days be filled with magic, and your nights with love so near. Milk and cookies on the tree, catnip dreams for you and me. Busy paws on shiny gifts, swishing tails and gentle shift. We wish you a purry Catmas, full of laughter, joy and cheer. May your days be filled with magic, and your nights with love so near. Tinkling bells and soft meows, cats asleep on cushioned bowers, stars above and smiles below. In your heart the love will grow. We wish you a purry Catmas, full of laughter, joy